You know, sometimes the components that do the most work are the ones we think about the least.
That's true.
We're often focused on the big machinery, right?
Right.
But what about the hidden forces that keep everything running smoothly?
Yeah, the stuff behind the scenes.
Exactly. So today we're taking a deep dive into something that quietly drives industrial excellence, filtration systems.
Ah, yes. Crucial.
And our mission really is to uncover why choosing the right filters isn't just about maintenance, it's about protecting significant investments and pioneering new operational standards.
Exactly. While they might not be the flashiest components on the spec sheet, filtration systems are kind of the silent guardians.
Silent guardians, I like that.
Yeah, they prevent those costly breakdowns, make sure machinery performs at its absolute peak. Our sources really emphasize that in the industrial world. Downtime. Well, every minute of unexpected downtime hits the bottom line. Hard.
It's like a hidden tax, isn't it, that operations pay without maybe even realizing the full extent.
That's a good way to put it, yeah.
Yeah.
A hidden tax.
So that's where it gets really interesting. You've brought us some excellent material from pedienergy.com focusing on Baldwin filters. And this isn't just about ticking boxes for compliance, like we said. It feels more like a proactive approach.
It is. It's about operational longevity, especially in those really critical areas. Lube, air, fuel, transmission, coolant, hydraulic filtration, all of them.
Okay.
We'll explore how these filters are engineered to, well, dramatically reduce wear and tear. They're really the first line of defense.
Protecting the investment right from the start.
Precisely. It's about ensuring consistent, high-performance output. Safeguarding engines by cutting down friction, cooling vital parts, enabling smooth combustion, all that good stuff.
Okay, so let's unpack that a bit. Starting with what's often called the lifeblood of any engine, lubrication.
Lube.
Our sources highlight Baldwin's lube filters. And we're not just talking generic filters here, are we? It mentions designs with multi-layered media.
Yes.
What does that actually mean for an engine, practically speaking?
That multi-layered design is absolutely crucial. It lets these filters capture the finest particulates,
Okay, the really tiny stuff.
the microscopic contaminants that, over time cause major wear. They shorten engine life significantly.
So instead of just getting the big chunks.
Exactly. They go much further. These filters effectively extend the engine's operational lifespan by keeping the oil cleaner for much longer. It reduces those hidden costs of premature wear.
Okay, that makes sense. And it's not just about lube, right? How do these filtration principles carry over to other critical systems, like, say, air and fuel?
It's a very similar commitment to precision, just adapted for each specific challenge.
Right.
So for air filters, the focus is really on providing industrial strength protection, especially in the toughest environments. Think places with high dust, lots of debris.
Okay. Harsh conditions.
Yeah, so the filter has to rule out those abrasive elements that can cause immediate performance drops and obviously long-term damage too.
And fuel filters. The source mentioned modern systems are like surgical instruments.
They really are. Especially these high-pressure common rail fuel systems. They're incredibly sensitive. Even one microscopic particle, honestly, just one, can lead to a devastatingly expensive injector replacement.
Wow. Okay.
So Baldwin's engineered fuel filtration is designed to keep that diesel exceptionally clean, just ensuring the equipment runs without errors.
I can definitely see why that level of precision is so critical then. And I assume it extends to transmission, coolant, and hydraulic filters too.
Oh, absolutely.
Because heat, pressure, contamination, they're constant threats in those systems.
They are, precisely. Hydraulic and coolant systems are particularly vulnerable, actually. Contamination there doesn't just cause, sudden breakdowns.
Right.
It can subtly degrade system performance over time. Things get sluggish, efficiency drops, and then eventually, you get those catastrophic failures.
The ones everyone dreads.
Exactly. So Baldwin's extensive line of hydraulic and coolant elements, they're designed to aggressively obliterate debris. They significantly extend fluid life. And crucially, they prevent system failures, saving operations from those really costly, avoidable shutdowns.
Building on that point, it sounds like Baldwin's reputation isn't just about having a filter for everything, but the science and the scale behind their products.
Yeah.
What are some of the engineering distinctions that really set them apart, according to the sources?
What's fascinating, I think, is their relentless focus on uptime, just keeping things running.
Okay.
So every filter is designed with exclusive features, things like heavy-duty end caps, robust structural supports inside, high-efficiency pleated media.
So practically speaking, for the operator on the ground, what does that translate to?
It translates to zero leakage construction that guards against bypass where dirty fluid gets through and premature failure.
Right.
It means superior dirt holding capacity, so longer service cycles between changes.
Fewer changes, less downtime.
Exactly. And fitment that consistently matches or sometimes even exceeds the OEM specifications.
Ah, that's a big one.
It is key, yeah, because it significantly cuts down installation time, eliminates guesswork. You know it's compatible. You know it's going to perform.
That attention to detail, it certainly makes a powerful case. And the proof, as they say, is in the pudding, right? These filters deliver validated results.
Few proven results, yeah, across a really diverse range of heavy-duty operations.
Like what kind of operations are we talking about?
Everything. Oil and gas, manufacturing, big fleet management, construction, utilities, you name it.
So real-world testing.
Absolutely. It's not just theoretical.
Right.
These filters perform out there, whether it's, say, fueling a hydraulic fracturing site or keeping massive excavators, those huge drag lines at a coal mine running 24/7, or maintaining peak performance for power generation turbines.
Wow.
Baldwin's filtration supports maximum engine health for fleets and drilling rigs. It extends the time between major overhauls and maintains performance even in the absolute dirtiest conditions.
And for utilities and manufacturing?
It directly reduces risk. It stops those tiny, minute particles from wrecking, million-dollar drivetrains or incredibly sensitive hydraulic and coolant systems.
And what about operations with maybe older or unique machinery? Legacy assets?
That's another big advantage.
Yeah.
I mentioned Baldwin's extensive cross-reference coverage.
Meaning you can usually find a filter that fits.
Exactly. You're almost never left scrambling for some discontinued part number.
Yeah.
Which is huge when, operational continuity is everything.
Yeah, absolutely.
It really highlights that investing in this level of filtration, it isn't just maintenance spending. It's a strategic decision. It empowers industrial leaders who just demand reliability.
It's about achieving that relentless uptime, as you said, and forging solid supplier partnerships.
Spot on.
Okay, so we've talked a lot about the filters themselves, the engineering, the applications, but even the best filters in the world are, well, useless if you can't get them when you need them.
True. Availability is key.
That's where PEEnergy.com comes into the picture, right? What stands out about their role in this whole equation?
Their approach is really complementary to Baldwin's quality.
Mm-hmm.
PEEnergy.com positions itself as a wholesale powerhouse, one that moves at the speed of your business.
Okay.
Because the harsh truth, as the sources bluntly put it, is that procurement delays, supply shortages, they can sometimes hit the bottom line even harder than equipment wear and tear.
Wow. Harder than the wear itself.
Yeah. So PEEnergy.com addresses that head on. They have a vast inventory of Baldwin filters. They offer factory direct pricing, immediate availability, and they have deep technical expertise too.
So it's more than just being a warehouse.
Oh, much more.
Yeah.
It's about solving those procurement headaches, making it easier to get what you need when you need it.
I see what you mean. So they work with your procurement scope, matching Baldwin's validated quality to your specific spec sheets without compromise.
Correct. Whether it's just for single-site installations or, massive nationwide rollouts, their industrial supply specialists are equipped to handle it.
Providing that agility, that flexibility, which is so critical right now with supply chains being unpredictable.
Absolutely critical. When industrial professionals face that decision, where do we trim spending and where do we invest, Baldwin is consistently highlighted not as a cost,
but as a profit multiplier. I remember that phrase.
Exactly. Every single hour that machinery runs clean because of Baldwin filters, that's seen as money back in your pocket.
How so?
Through drastically reduced wear and tear, minimized emergency maintenance calls, and basically eradicating unscheduled downtime.
Right, the enemy of profits.
Precisely. Plus, with PEEnergy.com keeping those shelves deep with inventory, it just slashes lead times.
Yeah.
Gives you flexibility to maybe adapt service schedules if needed.
It sounds like it boils down to technical certainty and maybe trust.
I think so.
Our sources mention that Baldwin filters are routinely chosen by OEMs, by major fleet managers, basically people who simply don't tolerate anything less than verified filtration performance.
That's it. You specify it, you install it, you trust it. There's no guesswork, no callbacks, no exceptions. That's a really powerful promise in an industrial setting.
It really is.
So for procurement managers, for safety officers, for operations directors, investing in proven filtration from a reliable partner like PEEnergy.com, It's not just about avoiding problems down the line.
It's more fundamental.
It is. It's a strategic decision that fundamentally reshapes efficiency. And it provides, frankly, peace of mind across their diverse, heavy-duty operations.
So, okay, let's try and sum this up. What does this all mean for you listening?
Well,
Our deep dive into Baldwin Filters, supported by PEEnergy.com, it really shows that superior filtration isn't just a basic expense, is it?
not at all. It's a profound investment, one that really pays dividends.
Leading to machinery running cleaner, leaner, and meaner.
That's the phrase, with that consistent high-performance output everyone's looking for.
And by combining Baldwin's engineering excellence, the quality, the fit, all that, with PEEnergy.com's strength as a wholesale powerhouse, the factory direct pricing, the immediate availability.
Yeah.
You're not just optimizing, are you? You're genuinely fortifying your operational continuity, your financial stability, too.
It's absolutely about proactive protection.
Yeah.
Ensuring your procurement strategy actually supports maximum uptime, not hinders it.
Yeah. Well put. So this raises an important question, maybe something for you to ponder after this.
Okay.
What seemingly small or overlooked component in your own operations might actually be holding the key to unlocking significant, maybe hidden improvements?
Good question.
Improvements in efficiency, longevity, and ultimately your bottom line. Much like high-quality filtration deal for industrial machinery, maybe there's a critical piece in your system just waiting to be optimized.
Something worth thinking about.
Definitely. We encourage you to keep diving deep into what truly drives your own success.